Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.